Hello there, my name is Dominic and today I have this solar kit from Kamisafe. This is an unboxing and general overview of how to use this product. I bought this Kamisafe KM-8017B solar lighting kit for someone and I have already delivered it, so I didn't get a chance to use it for a long period of time to warrant a review. You can pause at any time to read all the text on the packaging. These cheap solar lighting kits make it very easy to get light and charge your phone. I bought this unit on Jumia Kenya for 2,600 Kenya shillings, and that is inclusive of shipping. There are different types of kits nowadays, and I particularly wanted to buy one from Itel because it incorporates an FM radio in the main unit for only 2,500 Kenya shillings, but it seems like they are sold out and sell very fast when restocked. What's strange is that I saw the same item on Jumia while I was editing this video for double the price at 5,000 Kenya shillings, which is very confusing. When it comes to the unboxing, the Kamisafe solar lighting kit comes with a solar panel, a multi-charging cable, the main unit that has an inbuilt battery, and 3 separate lights. The main unit has a handle for easy handling and a flashlight on one end controlled by a switch on the other end. This side also has all the input and output light ports as well as the switches and USB ports. The solar panel is rated at 3 watts at 9 volts and has a barrel connector that plugs into the main unit. According to the writing on the packaging, the main unit has a 6000 mAh battery. Now this is very important when it comes to charging your smartphone, and this is where my electronics expertise comes in. If you charge your smartphone, there's a chance that you might deplete the battery and lack energy for the lights at night. That's because most smartphone batteries are usually between 4500 and 5000 mAh. So try and charge your phone during the day when the sun is shining. When it comes to charging your phone, you can either use the multi-cable or just plug in a USB cable. The lights come with a long cable with a barrel connector on one end and a switch in between. They also have a hook for easy hanging too. The red button switches off all the power to the lights as well as the USB port. That's it for this video. I'll strive to create more content regarding solar in the future, and you can watch my solar products playlist to see which other products I've covered. Recently, I was at the Solar Expo 2024 in Nairobi, and you can see some of the content I've created around that as I continue to upload more. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video, and goodbye.